Did the flood kill everyone, or did some giants and other humans survive?
Well, as a matter of fact, in my own book, and as well as a video that we have available, I talk about this extensively. There's a tremendous misunderstanding because of various teachings that are not correct. First of all, the Nephilim are not hybrids. They are not half angel, half human. Here we have fallen angels sent by Satan, and the Hebrew word there, take, they took women, does not mean that they had intimate relations. What it does mean is that they were guiding and directing natural men and natural women who were so debauched that they were willing to be used by Satan in a breeding experiment to breed bigger and bigger people we call giants. Nephilim means giants, plural. And the purpose that Satan had was to intimidate the population to prevent the birth of Jesus Christ. And Satan almost succeeded because only 8 came through in the ark. But the Nephilim were 100% human. They were just big humans, bred to be bigger and bigger, the same way we breed dogs to be bigger and bigger. But the Nephilim died in the flood. None of them survived. There were only 8 on the ark with Noah. However, a subtlety in the new earth after the flood, but in the Old Testament, that word is no longer used. It's the word Rephaim, but it describes the giants such as Goliath, King Og, others. But again, nobody denies that Goliath was 100% human. You see, we have genetic capability of reaching 9 foot high. Even today, even though we have much genetic decay. There was a man in 1920 born in Alton, Illinois, that his name was Robert Wadlow. At the age of 22, he died in 1942, but he stood 8 foot, 11.1 inches tall at the time he passed away. Now, if a man can reach 8 foot, 11.1 inches tall in 1942, there's no reason to believe that Goliath also wasn't 9 foot tall. King Og, probably by biblical description, might have reached 10 feet tall. But there's a biological limit to how large any organism can be. And 10 feet is basically the absolute limit for a human. The design that we have, the gravity pulling the blood down into our legs and away from our brain and so forth, that a human really could not live much beyond 10 foot at all, if even that. But again, this is something that humans are capable of doing even today under the right circumstances.